everyone for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Message or like, a comment, subscribing, the no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you be notified. Everyone for when him say, I dare back one thing I don't envy at all. Ewo we are see we say I kasano. NDC for majority or more parliament. I don't envy it at all. Ah, who saw TV say oko share a parliamentary proceeding na. Ultimately we say difference no so clear. So clear. I don't mean to ask you. Who NDC MPs no? On one side, I move from a super majority. Now, NPP MPs on the other side. As a debut, as a MPP for no, you share that NIS selection. The finest brains, some of the finest brains. Because I'm be brave or MPP ma, any parliament by so a junior kakra. A junior with them pharmacology, the politics, in the other side at least. I say me praising me kakra now. Now, who NDC side now? As a frefre kobobi. Sana dena AI. Who NDC or more NDC for more MPs or more parliament no. I mean, I said they did not. I said now. I don't know whether they did not prepare or they didn't know they were contesting for position bia. On be end up or parliament to mean to me. But there is basically na near Mr. Assembly nyina mo ye Sunyani West MP no.
To express my condolence to the bereaved families. Because it's not easy, Mr. Speaker. I am saying that
Millicent. Cha. Mami inti brofo. Onti brofo baku say. Na unti brofo no inse say. Ubeka wanutum. Ana se kachie. Se Sunyani for omu kachi. Nkrofo omu to abanama ono. Omu kachi. Na ye den a upeso ye press conference. Na be yire wo ho na brofo bi basa bi. Ye ho anu say we cannot see the head or tail of brofo mami person oka. But munim gossip aba. Yes see, ye mi na mi kon. Yes see, sama mi no. Oni chairman general. Oni mosquito. Omu she ho. Emi de asem na mati na mabe ka kire mo. Enti we dey say me see yes see is alleged. Because that won't I mean I say because for some people someone like that say otimbe MP say nye protocol because me who na nkrofo asan NDC mu ana nkrofo na Sunyani West for. So when you look at your MPs you say you know, are you proud? Yes, mu representative or parliament. Na muhu ni displayer. Are you proud of your vote? Oh, because now some of the places, some of the constituencies in Ghana had the people they have sent to parliament, they are so unfair. It's so unfair to us. It's so unfair to Omaino. I mean, we have to bring in a requirement. Because parliament no grass no. It goes much more deeper than no. I say NDC for money. Omufi say parliament they all continue no. There be a place of debate. If you are not fluent, okay, you cannot make your points fluently. They have no business going to parliament. Yeah. Now to me, sorry, so you person parliamentarian, person MP. Now they say ubrofo nsunye. Ubrofo nyensu unka wanu tumu usia. Just as a sankwa sonkwa. It was for Ghana and SMTV GHY by donating to the number beneath MTN number, Momo number, Ketwabi so help us to get data bundles for uploading the beautiful, nice content that you watch every now and then also to buy more equipment, gadgets for our studio renovations. Midamuni say conversation is happiness. A very, very interesting conversation. So don't go anywhere. Listen to what is next. Cheers. I will see you in the next one.
I say, oh, you know, if you are winning, never.
Ese sunyane for mon ko school je so no na ko school pa o mantem.
Yes sunyane for kwa. Ko heta kwa. Padi bi o mako to aba
de. Ko asem na ye kan wo. Ko asem na ye kan no. Me de mpanfo ne bu bebi se. Yes se wo firi nsonso na de na se wontua. Achene be ne apramire. Ena eda anwoka. Enti aseda Ghana kokoko ya for de dara na akufu ado no. Ho akatua. Ena omon say den ka no. Because na akufu ado eturo mu kohwe nkwa. Ena Ghana kokoko ya for eturo akufu ado ena ban ekokohwe wuo. Nti aso kye wom no. Ena omon say den omon sa ka no. Na mpanyifo se ye de ye na se anye oya ye unya afaye. Nti mahama mfa nyom na nyom ya se be ya 2028 omode sa ye ya no ebe to abati adwo mahama ntimi de e ka me nko a enka enko ni se ya na ade ba kwa mbese ye twen adwen susu ni se o se asen we be almost be se 1 month ni ba cho sa NDC MPs na omo kokoko growing areas bi se fence sanfian hi komramita kandom no ade ntro mo ye din omo me kasa minim so obi ade se sanfian hi make state no ba bi dia on correct me because muna mo ye member of parliament mo free kokoko growing areas tama na MPP aban wo so anamo si akufo entunko 6500 no na muna na mo champion ne nti ade ntina ne de moja MPs na omu free no for ye no kokoko omu na ebu defense no samsia hini kwama mitanka no omu free kokoko growing areas no de ade na omo ye ade ntro mo nka so omo ye nti omo nka seni abana ye ne se ya omo ye nti omo nka senye so omo ye nti omo nka ye be soro omo silence na omo keep no emwa omo constituency no omo offense that very kokoko growing areas no na onim mpanyimfo okasa bi se yes atacha se ekosi ni pa chidi ya yeso yade den yade wom na mo se ekosi na ntwa chidi ya yeso wador srade ne boy den se yeti kokoko so dia o ene de world market price e na aba fam enti na affect na mo se petrol ba fam dia ne edwo mahama na yede edwo mahama na ye ende nya world market enti yeti kokoko so de ende nya edwo mahama na mo se yeti petrol so dia ne edwo mahama na NDC offense na NDC fo na mo party we ba ye be se mfie afi ba ko ene be se boso me miensa ye be wura mu wan sidi kura wunyae wodwuma wunya adwuma enye a monam social media monam radio su a mu twa defense e wo saasem we hu no ma me ka se mi kiro mo hwe ade ba ko bible e ka pa ne se kunani se mo kunani anase ajankani ni su e sofom because of wo ya ode bia odi di ntia e be ye no me abedi wachi ene wasefo nyina hwe kokwa akuyafo na yesu no bi wo ha ne kunu na ewu agya na abusua kye de sa ne portion ama no sa portion kaka na abusua kye de ama no e na ode hwe ne mba e wo school obi di hwe ne ba e wo nursing training obi di hwe ne ba e wo fensaral school obi di hwe ne ba e wo teacher training obi di hwe ne ba university ene sa akuani no se afini nyina no so wonya kokko tembas ya sa kokko tembas na ode ebo one ne mba nyina ho ba include omu school fees bibia and this is sa akuani we wo dom na wo be kran Jubilee House no wo ba gi sa akuani we a wo so afini nyina wonya 10 million fence and tembas wo ba gi 100 million every so abra onyo obo ne na sa akuani we ekoni nkotoje na se ni so from adoma e no me di wachi na wo so be defend se ya so e be no me edi wachi wo no mba you suffer same and this omu pending omunya na akuafo ne express omu grievances na omunya sa dirty defense na omunam social media na yeren etwa no unim na andisifo na jomama ebe offense randiabe ebe toka na randiabe no unim se ka wo ho na oba ya in March oka kire se Ghana Cocoa Board na ombe sponsor Ghana Premier League no ana na nko de abosia na abo na ka sponsor Ghana Premier League na no ni se ka ho no o share fence Ghana Supporters Union for boss o de ombe ko fence US a won ko support Ghana Blaster e World Cup no na nka wo de abo ne abosia e na ne be support amamo ko US na onim yeti wiasi menyim se events woye bad time na ya pam ba school fees ama ba betena fie unkotua school fees ma akora no school na eduru akora no birthday party a akakoto na mchi se ubeku na mchi na ma akora no se akora no fa ni birthday woye parent ya woye nyansafo se ya pam ba school fees a wotifi unya sika nkotua school fees e ma no nko na akora eduru birthday a akakoto na mchi e de ya ma no Randy Abe o se ka okoko board enti ne unu unhu kutuku fa kora nshim enti enu nti ugina so ati kokwakuafo mo yeden o makatua so at the same time wo wa hakoto offense 110 pickups wa hakoto offense and 4 lankulusa V8 edem uye nyansanfo uye siwa uye nyansanfo uye very stupid Randy Abe se if unim se ka wo ho na se sa aka nti ne Ghana kuafo e sofa na se wo hakoto V8 makomako 4 hakoto pickups 110 na se wo dem dia uye very stupid man. Because a sort to say, Coco board hona whatino, the offense and preliminary producers are on 15 hours office no, and that's what to a circuit for no. Send us a Ghana cocoa, we are for you, decided to send you be a channel cocoa in your cocoa bima, Ghana cocoa board, the government better home bay. But who and Yabe was me be a work at Yaji, Coco Mark Macoma 31 and a kabuma, who ran Yabe a work at 1 month, just 1 month. 31 bags of cocoa and a kambuma Eddie your work to ya. And the 31 more about 12 a cocoa offense the back door and around the ya quantify you do choka. Meanwhile, cocoa suku crown then, cocoa suku crown misan and Nadruka a border. But Bosome, ya the cocoa magma 31 bags and a canis carbon rendabe you do choka, cocoa as a see you. Nasa wonu won ye bibia Ghana kokuakuafo nasa krono we na wonu dwomahama mo Ghana kokuakuafo de a monka hye nkonkodu edamone na ebeye no me adi machi ene munchirima nyina so sa penso ya mo de Ghana kokuakuafo na ekomu no na wan so begina ba bia obeka se akuafo na eye demonstration akuafo na kasa no omu ya mpifo nti no omu kasa no ye hia kose ne kasa wu afaye ko sa ni so no mo tene sa penso no mu komu no binkan sani pa no so awo kasa asankyere Ghana kokuakuafo no binkan no ma binkan asefo na hu de way sitie ma bi ya wo ye bia no sai ya no binkan oduma ya wo ye bia yesi application so ordinary offense yesi abon so ordinary ma application so onhwe no kasa won han na nkyere ye Jomahama ya tro ene nada kotuku san buro bi kwan so ena wonam a obedada Ghana fo agi tumi na tumi ne Ghana fo de ma no yankase fa sa tumi ne ebra ebekum Ghana fo yankase fa bra ebe so moni yohia yankase fa sa tumi ne bra na maga offense akurafo emetini suo emanyanka emetini suo enti ye besere ndisifo mo ye bia eye yanka ye se wo ye bia jai yanka se wo ye bia eren to aso MPP for so yanka yehumbom ye ne se ba bia duru no agenda no eye clear se 2028 se Jomahama awipu sagrawa ma NDC ye be jomo kwa 2028 na Ghana kokuakuafo omunhwe ne omunkomu because me say I so 2027 2028 kokko season
oba betuma mo
be peja kokko buom e de be dada mo se be 2028 Ghana kokuakuafo beto abamo because Jomahama ewa adwen bi say Ghana fo mu yera wuri free nti sa nneema ne odi munkomu obi a en record nto ho obi en kan che ne ma ne na omu ni 18 years 2020 ombodi 18 years eduru amon kai omo se mre bi 2026 ye wo se na Jomahama ene NDC edim ko mu me ne ba me kam last one na me no asinum uni say 2016 2017 cocoa season NDC ekokwaji cocoa syndicated loan 1.8 billion dollars so mo beto cocoa 2016 to 2017 yaka say cocoa season no yese ye in October etom say akosi the following year September it that means 1.8 billion dollars na mo kokwaji say mo to cocoa 2016 2017 no mo to cocoa na akosi 2017 September but omokwaji loan 2018 no December 2016 December 2016 now out of 1.8 billion dollars on this can $400 million
Enya no no almost omo dey be koye research here so mbe wini 2016 election.
No, and I know the alone on kwaji so omo beti offense omo be compete for hospitals no sha ase no. You know jet project no.
Na NDC na nkase ye dey abreme Ghana na.
Cocoa syndicated loan 1.8 billion for 2016-2017 cocoa in Rebeto cocoa. From October to December, that's kind of $400 million. Yet about December 7th for NDC elusu between December 7th and January 7th, not $400 million NASA. Transitional team ebi so mo a catch the transitional team say omo dis kana $400 million omo de tua contractors ka. Na sika mo kwaji mo beto cocoa and I say mo de beto contractors ka. Bet Akufo-Addo aban e ba ye no okopa ebosia e be to koku no akuyafo no e ma akuyafo koku na anka danim o te se Akufo-Addo abonte e be lamente
no
na anya bia 32 billion na wo kan wo ko uja 19.8 billion nti kwa 19.8 billion every 32 ne enwe se sen e na Akufo-Addo aban e de ka ho na all this 13 ne be ka ho ejapade so na odija wo Randiabi ye be sere no you say oye fisherman bo say we dey mba ntim say obi we football dey nka koku asem na need for no kwa na ka koku asem na emfa ho na because of Jomama incompetence aye nti e na oduba be si wo ti so ohwe na sa adene ye ya enye say enyi ye kura no on resign na ga na koku yefo ye ye ho ntoye menu ba me das nyankopon hira
me das geba me endorse aka ne bo so asem nyina